How to fix iPhone front camera not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can fix front camera not working on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to fix your front camera basically not working on your iPhone, it's actually quite simple to do so, because all you have to do is, here you can see, let's say you're switching to the front camera like this, it's not working for some reason. What are some of the things that you can do? The very first thing I want you to do is simply go to settings, go to general, then just scroll down, go to transfer or reset, tap on reset, and then tap on reset all settings to see if that helps you solve the problem. If it doesn't, then just go to general, go to about, or you can just go to software update, check if your device or iOS has an update, and if it does, make sure to update that as well to the latest version. If none of the solutions work for you, just try to restart your device and then see if that helps you solve your problem. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the issue of the front camera problem. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.